In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your SEO keyword list in Semrush. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to SEO, having a well-organized keyword list can significantly enhance your ability to target the right audience and improve your website's visibility. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to Semrush, the data-driven marketing tool designed to help grow your business. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Semrush. It's a powerful platform that provides a comprehensive suite of tools to help you with various digital marketing strategies. Once you're on the Semrush homepage, the next move is to log in. At the top right corner of the page, you will find the Login button. Give that a click, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, there's an option to sign up. But assuming you already have an account, go ahead and fill in your details. Once logged in, you'll land on your personalized Semrush home dashboard. From the home screen, look for the Projects option. It's usually visible right on the dashboard menu. You'll want to head to the area where you've organized your projects, as Semrush allows you to manage projects efficiently, providing insights and reports on your campaigns. Once you're in the Projects section, it's time to focus on the SEO aspect. Find and click on the SEO option. This section is a treasure trove of tools and resources dedicated to search engine optimization, perfect for auditing websites, analyzing competitors, and researching keywords. Now that you're in the SEO tools section, what you're interested in is the Keyword Magic tool. It's one of the standout features of Semrush that helps you dig deep into keyword research. So locate the Keyword Magic tool. It should be somewhere in the SEO toolbar area, and click on it. This tool is indispensable for keyword research as it allows you to generate thousands of keyword suggestions and organize them into manageable lists, perfectly tailored to your specific project's needs. To organize your keyword list, navigate through the suggested keywords and carefully pick those that are most relevant to your project goals. Take advantage of the filters available to narrow down your search according to metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and competitive density. Once you have curated your list, make sure to save it within Semrush for easy access later. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully organized your SEO keyword list in Semrush, setting you up for more targeted and efficient digital marketing results. Happy optimizing!